All right, check this out. Today we're gonna get a mattress protector. It comes with two covers, all right, for your pillow covers, all right, also included. Now this thing, you need to unzip it in order to put it into your mattress. But once you set up on your mattress, you zip it up and it's ready to go. Now, one important thing, they do have measurements in there, different sizes. You have to find out the thickness of your actual mattress in order to make this fit into your mattress. All right, it's important to do that. They have king sizes, queen sizes, and the regular size, but you got to make sure you get the thickness of the mattress because every mattress is not built the same. So once you get that done, you unzip it, and there's two zippers that connect each way. All right, so that means that you are going to have to lift maybe half of the actual mattress in order to slip this in on. Once you slip it on, it's easy to actually zip up. So today we're just going to show you guys that how water protected this is. So if you have children or maybe cats or animals that, you know, sometimes things happen, you want to prevent that from actually going and damaging your mattress. This is a perfect way. We're going to show you guys. We're going to drip some water in here, and I'm going to show you how dry it gets on a live video with non-stop video. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. People always talk about that things don't work. So this is a dry sheet, all right, and I'm going to show you underneath. It's also black. All right, we're going to place this in here so you can see that it's not going to penetrate any water. All right, close it up in there, make it nice and neat first. All right, you guys are looking at it live. We're going to put it right here in this spot, maybe like a couple drips. Keep going and go higher. That's it. So right now you could dry this up if you want. Water stays there. So we are going to grab a napkin so we could dry the excessive water, if you guys can see, but it didn't go through. All right, get that in there. Look at that. This gets more wet than that. Look how simple it is. Then I'm going to show you underneath. See that? Completely dry. Look at that. Dryness. So it's perfect. So if you're going to buy something for yourself or for your kids, this is a perfect mattress cover. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.